since Ventadorn and Comborns with Segur, and Turin and Montfort with Gordon have made an agreement with Perigeux and sworn, and the burghers lock themselves in all around. It pleases me to sing and to undertake a servant is to reassure them, for I do not at all wish that it were my Toledo, because of which I could not be safe there. Puy, Guillaume, and Clarent, and Grignols, and Saint Estier, you have very great honor, and I myself, who wants to recognize it for me, and in addition Angoulême greater than Lord Charretier, who abandons the cart. He has no money and does not take any without fear. For this reason, with honor I value a small piece of land more than holding a great empire with dishonor. If the powerful Viscount, who is head of the Gascons, to whom belongs Béarn and Gavardin, and Lord Vezien if he wishes, and Lord Bernardo, and the Lord of Aix, and he whose is Marsin, on this side will be of enough help to the Count that he acts, and likewise just as he is worthy, with his great host that he gathers and amasses, let him rise up and come here and join with us. If Tailberg and Pons and Lusignan and Maléon and Tonnet were in peace, and if Sivrac were Viscount alive and healthy, I would never believe that he would not help us. Let him avour, since the Count threatens him, side with us, and let him not be fickle, and let us demand of him until he does justice for us, for the homages that he has treacherously taken from among our hands. Between Poitou and the Isle Bouchard, and Mirabeau and Loudun, and Chinon at Claresvaux, he has built without hesitation a fine castle and placed it on level ground. But I do not at all wish the young king to know of it or see it, for it would not please him. But I fear, since it blazes so white, that he will see it clearly from Mataphelon. From King Philip we will know well if he acts like a father, or if he follows the good custom of Charlemagne, of Lord Tailfer, who grants him as Lord of Angoulême, of which he has made him a gift. And it is not right for a king who grants something once he has said yes, to ever say no.